mathematicians, it's math time! I am Teacher Mechyl. I will be your teacher for today's lesson. Welcome to a new episode in Mathematics 4, where learning becomes easy once explored. Together, let us discover the beauty of numbers and problems. Today, we will learn to solve routine and non-routine problems in real-life situations involving perimeter of squares, rectangles, triangles, parallelograms, and trapezoids by using the formula of each of the polygons. You have already learned the formulas in finding the perimeter of different polygons from your previous module. Teacher Mechyl will help you explore them further. Before we proceed in today's lesson, make sure you have with you your self-learning modules, paper, and pen. Let us begin our meaningful journey in the world of math. In order to guide you, I have questions for you. Sit back and relax as we dive into our math manual. Number 1. What is a polygon? Definitely, a polygon is a closed figure with 3 or more sides. Number 2. What is a perimeter? Excellent! A perimeter is the distance around a figure. To find the perimeter of a polygon, get the sum of the length or measurement of its sides. Good job! Remembering those important points, and then you were paying attention. Kids, can you still remember the steps in solving word problems? Why don't we recall them? As shown in the process flowchart, we need to follow 4 steps in answering word problems. Step 1. In order to understand the problem, you need to answer number 1. What is asked? Number 2. What are given? Number 3. You can now solve using the number sentence that you have come up with. Step 4. Finally, you need to check whether answer. My dear grade 4 mathematicians, when you encounter problems, are you going to run and hide? Of course not. You are going to understand, plan, solve, check, and look back. Just remember, pag matyaga ka, may mak. Let's try the steps on a word problem. Are you ready? Johnny and his classmate plan to fence their trapezoidal garden with chicken wire will be used to enclose the garden. Let's start with step 1. What do you think is asked in the problem? Also, it's asked for the length of chicken wire to use to enclose the garden or the perimeter of a trapezoid. And what are given in the problem? Very good! The given dimension of a trapezoidal garden are 12 meters, 10 meters, 8 meters, and 7 meters. Let's proceed to step 2. What operations should we use to get the answer? Of course, to complete the perimeter, we will add all the lengths of the sides of a figure. Do you remember the formula for the perimeter of a trapezoid? Great! Perimeter of a trapezoid is equal to side 1 plus side 2 plus side 3 plus side 4. Therefore, our number sentence will be perimeter is equal to 12 meters plus 10 meters plus 8 meters plus 7 meters. You can now solve using our number sentence. Perimeter is equal to 12 meters plus 10 meters plus 8 meters plus 7 meters is equal to 37 meters. Our final answer will then be 37 meters of chicken wire is needed to enclose the garden. The perimeter of the trapezoid is 37 meters. I bet you want to try another problem. No worries, your wish is my command. Here it is. A handkerchief measures 25 centimeters long and 20 centimeters wide. G wants to put a lace around it. How many centimeters of lace will she buy to decorate its sides? Now, what ribbon do you think is the handkerchief? Exactly! That is a rectangle. Let's start with step 1. What do you think is asked in the problem? Alright, the length of the lace which Ginny has to buy to decorate the size of the handkerchief. This represents the perimeter of the rectangle. How about the garden? You got it right. It has 25 centimeters in length and 20 centimeters in width. For step 2, what operation will you use? Definitely, it is addition. Now comes the tricky part. We only have 2 given numbers, but a rectangular has 4 sides. Any idea how to write our formula? Wonderful! As we all know, a rectangle has 2 pairs of equal sides. Therefore, our number sentence will be perimeter equals length plus width, which is equal to 25 centimeter plus 25 centimeter plus 20 centimeter plus 20 centimeter. Well, what is the answer? Terrific! The perimeter of a rectangle is equal to 90 centimeter. Wow! You are doing very well so far. How about solving word problem just by looking at the illustrations? Can you do that? There is only one way to find out. Let's try this. A softball diamond is 25 meters long on each side. How many meters does a player run if he makes a home run? What do you think is the answer? A. 25 centimeter, B. 50 centimeter, C. 75 centimeter, and D. 100 centimeter. Good job, kids! The right answer is letter D, 100 centimeters. We only need to add the given length of the side 4 times, since we are looking for the perimeter of a square, or we can simply multiply the sides by 4. This gives us perimeter is equal to side plus side plus side plus side, or perimeter is equal to 4 times sides, which is equal to 100 centimeters. You can check your answer by dividing 100 by 4, which gives you 25. Your answer is correct. I have here another problem. Let's read it together. How many centimeters of ribbon will Anna need to decorate the side of a bead sheet, which measures 158 centimeters by 80 centimeters? What do you think is the answer? Letter A, 160 centimeters. Letter B, 476 centimeters. And letter C, 316 centimeters. And letter D, 238 centimeters. Well done! The answer is letter B, 476 centimeters. I know you remember the formula of a rectangle, where you just add 2 lengths, or perimeter is equal to length plus width, where perimeter is equal to 158 centimeters plus 158 centimeters plus 80 centimeters plus 80 centimeters, which give us 476 centimeters. Let's have a short recap, shall we? How do you solve routine and non-routine problems involving perimeter? We can solve routine and non-routine problems involving perimeter by following the 4 steps. The UFSC and LB, which stand for U, understanding, which includes what is asked and what are given. P for plan, which includes operation to use a number sentence. S for solve, and C for check, and LB for look back. Dear learners, remember these steps and you'll surely enjoy solving whatever problem comes your way. And now, it's activity time. Brace yourselves and don't forget UPSC and LB. Question number 1. A gymnasium was built on a trapezoid lot, has the following dimensions: 10 meters, 15 meters, 12 meters, and 30 meters. What is the total distance around the lot? What did you get? Wonderful! The total distance around the lot is 15 meters, where P is equal to side 1 plus side 2 plus side 3 plus side 4, or perimeter is equal to 10 meters plus 15 meters plus 12 meters plus 30. So, the answer is 50 meters. Very good, kids. Let's continue to question number. Connie has an illustration board which 35 centimeters long and 25 centimeters wide for her project in arts. she put a lace around it as decoration. How many centimeters of lace does she need? What is your answer? Amazing! 120 centimeters is the correct answer. You simply use the formula for the perimeter of a rectangle, which is perimeter is equal to length plus width, where perimeter is equal to 35 centimeters plus 35 centimeters plus 25 centimeters plus 25 centimeters. Thus, perimeter is equal to 120 centimeters. Let's proceed to number 3. Bella wants to put up a wooden square frame on a wall with a side that is 25 centimeters. What is the perimeter if the dimensions are increased by 5 centimeters? What is the new perimeter? What is your answer? Perfect! First, let's choose the condition where there is a 5 centimeter increase in every dimension. So, side is equal to 25 centimeter plus 5 centimeter, which makes its side equal to 30. To get the answer, we are going to use the formula of the perimeter of a square, where perimeter is equal to side plus side plus side plus side, or perimeter is equal to 4 times side, which will give us 120 centimeters. Nice work, my dear grade 4 mathematicians! But your problem is not over yet. I have one last task for you to do. It's time to test what you have learned. Are you ready? You can do this! Just read and analyze each problem, then solve. Question number 1. A triangle piece of art paper, which is equilateral, measures 13 centimeters on one side. What is its perimeter? Perimeter is equal to 13 centimeter plus 13 centimeter plus 13 centimeter is equal to 39 centimeters. Did you get the correct answer? Very good. What will be the perimeter of a rectangular lot whose sides are 20 meters and 10 meters? So, the perimeter is equal to 2 times length plus 2 times width, or equals to perimeter is equal to 2 times 20 plus 2 times 20 is equal to perimeter is equal to 40 plus 20 is equal to 60 meters. Did you get the correct answer? Very good. Let's proceed to question number 3. June bought a square lot that has a perimeter of 180 meters. How long is one side? So the formula is equal to side is equal to perimeter divided by 4 is equal to 180 meters divide 4. The answer is 45 meters. Excellent! Let's proceed to question number 4. A square has a perimeter of 96 centimeters. What is the length of one of its sides? So, side is equal to perimeter divided by 4, or 96 centimeter divided by 4 is equal to 24 centimeters. Very good. Let's proceed to question number 5. The cows graze in a trapezoidal pasture that measures 18 meters, 20 meters, 50 meters, and 12 meters. What is the perimeter of the trapezoidal pasture? So, the perimeter is equal to 18 meters plus 20 meters plus 15 meters plus 12 meters is equal to 55 meters. Great! After completing this task, don't forget to submit them to your teacher. That's it for today, Math Buddies. I hope you listen well. See you in your next math exciting and math amazing activities. Once again, I am Teacher Mechyl from the Division of Misamis Oriental, reminding you that whatever trials and problems you will face, there is always a solution to it. Trust the process. God bless and be blessed, and be a blessing to everyone. Be more, Miss Or. Bye-bye!